Welcome to the Safe Place channel. Are you ready for a math quiz? Let's see how many you can get right. 20 math problems are waiting for you. Ready? Go! Division, Grade 4 Math Quiz. Let's start with 96 divided by 8. Three, 2, 1. Correct. It's 12. Try this one. 121 divided by 11. Three, 2, 1. Nice! It's 11. What is 140 divided by 10? Three, 2, 1. That's right, 14. Can you solve 156 divided by 12? Three, 2, 1. Correct, 13. Give it a try. 180 divided by 9. Three, 2, 1. That makes 20. What is 128 divided by 8? Three, 2, 1. Nice! 16. Can you solve 168 divided by 12? Three, 2, 1. Well done! It's 14. Try this. 135 divided by 9. Three, 2, 1. That's right, 15. Now a bit trickier. 196 divided by 14. Three, 2, 1. Correct, 14. What is 225 divided by 15? Three, 2, 1. Good job, it's 15. Let's take a quick breather. Are you doing well so far? Keep going. Quick one. 100 divided by 10. Three, 2, 1. Correct, 10. Let's keep going. 252 divided by 12. Three, 2, 1. The result is 21. Can you solve 189 divided by 9? Three, 2, 1. Nice, 21. What is 144 divided by 9? Three, 2, 1. Correct, 16. Try this one. 160 divided by 8. Three, 2, 1. That makes 20. A tougher one. 216 divided by 18. Three, 2, 1. Correct, 12. Can you solve 210 divided by 14? Three, 2, 1. That's right, 15. Almost there. 270 divided by 15. Three, 2, 1. Nice work. 18. Can you solve 153 divided by 17? 3, 2, 1. It's 9. And here comes the last one. 192 divided by 12. Three, 2, 1. Final answer, 16. Great job! Keep practicing and have fun with math. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to watch our other videos. See you next time!